We are part of the e-com organization, so things change drastically. The competitors actually come up with a different set of promotions, different way of strategizing things, different product portfolio. So we need to adapt and change to the competitive scenario. So real-time decision making is really empowering the stakeholders to drive business decisions faster, which will of course result into key increase in key success metrics like sales, revenue, AOR, those kind of metrics.
So what Tableau's been able to do is help us figure out a way to take all this giant lake of data, parse it, do some things in the back, but then have a delivery mechanism that works for everybody at scale.
We gained efficiencies by 95%. So we used to take, let's say for example, one single weekly report we used to take on maybe 6 to 7 hours. So 7 multiplied by, you can say 30 reports.
So we've got thousands of users that can come in and have their specific question they want to go look at and be able to see how that one little piece they're doing can roll all the way up to affect the giant trends that are driving the entire customer-centric focus of the organization.
So Tableau actually helps us to map out the engagement journey starting from exploration till the post-purchase scenarios at different stages, and which is being used by the organization, including the top-level executives, to take decisions on a daily basis. People are getting a lot of time for doing the true job rather than just churning out reports. We can actually use that valuable time for delivering insights back into the business, which will help decision makers to take decisions and actions, I would say, which will ultimately benefit